Hello guys, welcome back to another troubleshooting guide. This tutorial is for existing Android 11 users who recently upgraded the latest version of the application or who installed the application long time back and now they are reinstalling the application, and if it is not working properly then this tutorial is for you. So please watch the entire tutorial. We try our best to keep this video as short as possible, but mentioning the detailed instructions are equally important. Recently, some of the users are complaining that after recent update, that is version 1.82, the application is not working properly and they are not able to find their WhatsApp statuses. Thank you so much for all these users who highlighted this issue and who recently update support very well and spent lots of time to help us to identify the issue. But due to some reasons, we cannot fix it, but we came up with some temporary solution of this problem. So let's start actually. So when you are opening the application and if you are not able to see any of the statuses over here, so you do not have to worry about it. Simply take the update from the Play Store. Please make sure that you are using the latest version of the application. So please check from the Play Store, or simply you can also click over here, rate or update the application, where it will redirect you to Play Store and install the latest version of the application, or simply update the application. So if you are not able to see any statuses over here, simply just uh, click on the long press on application icon and go to the application information. So over here you simply have to do the clear data actually. So if you go to storage usage, you will find this option clear data. So click on the clear data and simply click on OK. If you are using the clone application or if you are using the second space, please make sure that you repeat the same step for this clone application and second step application as well, so that it will clear the data from both the places. So, when you do this clear data, it may happen that if you have already downloaded some Facebook video or Instagram stories, reels, or some post there, so you will not able to find this downloaded media on application. But don't worry, it will be always there in your gallery. So it will be located in your download directory. So you can navigate to that place using some option I will show you later on. So the directory default path is download, then gem infotech, and then WhatsApp directory or Instagram directory like that, or Facebook directory like that. So after repeat this step for clone app and second space, if you are using, simply open the application again. So when you open this application, you will see this screen. So simply you can click on select WhatsApp directory, and you can simply click on use this folder and allow. If you are using WhatsApp business, repeat the same step for WhatsApp business directory as well. I recorded the part 1 tutorial, so you for this detailed help, so you can watch that video there. So I am not covering this part over here. I will mention the link in description of this video, so please have a look into that and simply click on save. And when you click on allow, you will able to see all the statuses. And if you want to find out that Instagram downloaded stories, post or videos, simply click on this and check that where is the storage location. So you, as you can see over here, it will be downloaded in your internal memory, and then download and gem infotech folder. So this is the download path of application where all medias are being stored. So if you find any problem anytime, keep checking how to help page. Over here we are just mentioning all the possible resources and video tutorials over here. Anytime if you want any help, you can chat us with Instagram. You can send us email using this feedback option. And also please keep checking this help page where we are mentioning all the possible helps and uploading the tutorial video over here. So can you simply find the needed help as and when required. So please keep checking this how to use. And if any time if you face any problem, simply send us the message on Instagram, or you can send us email. We will try to resolve your issue as soon as possible. Yeah, so sorry guys if you face any problem or any difficulties due to this upgrade, but it is necessary to update and give the support of Android 11 users. So this is the upgrade problem actually. Since now onwards you will not face any difficulties. So thank you so much, and keep using and sharing the application with all of your friends. Thank you.